So now I've used my ReferenceUSA, I've gotten my information, and I downloaded the records, and I put it over there, and then I went to ReferenceUSA, and I put in all my raw data, and I got my name and address stuff. And then if I go, I'm going to open a new tab. Again, this is something that I have for doing all this stuff in the background. And I have a template, Google Doc template. You notice up here it says template/preview. You have to do that. They don't have a button for doing that, but here's my template that I'm going to use. It opens up, it says replace with the territory number. My territory is C44. I want to replace this up here. C44. And we're collecting information for letters and for phone numbers. So now I'm going to select this cell right here, go up to my reference converter, and I'm going to select this, go down to the bottom of the data, which is right here. I don't want to go down further because if you notice there's commas in here, that just messes stuff up. So right click, copy, back over to the territory, right click, paste special, and that won't mess up the coloring. Paste values only. Now I have all this information. I remember I said I know I'm missing at least a 101 and a 102. So I go over here, select those two, right click, insert to above, and I'll select that, right click, copy, select these two, right click, paste special. Don't need to, the same color, but that's okay. Paste values only. Then I'm going to put 101, enter, 102, enter. So I've added these two, so I'll be looking for that. And that's the end of this video.